Welcome to a very special holiday digital skillet short. Today, what we're going to investigate is how does ChatGPT get biased by information that you might be unwittingly putting into the prompt.
Okay, to do this little experiment, what we're going to do is we're going to take a photo of the tree with 8 ornaments hanging in it, as you can see there. What we're then going to do is we're going to pop open ChatGPT, and as the baseline, we're going to put in our photo, and we're going to say, hey ChatGPT, how many additional ornaments could we hang in this tree before the branches start to bend? And what we can see is ChatGPT does its thinking, and it estimates we could add 3 to 8 additional ornaments, and then it goes through its rationale as to why and how. Now, to test anchoring, we're going to put the same question, but then we're going to add a piece of superfluous information that we have a box of 100 additional ornaments kicking around. That doesn't matter to the answer, but what we see is that ChatGPT now goes through, does some sort of calculation in terms of what would involve the branches bending, and actually ends up now with an answer of 10 to 25 additional ornaments that we could add to the tree before the branches actually bend, which is a huge difference, 3 to 8 versus now 10 to 25. Same prompt, same photo, only difference is a little bit of anchoring bias thanks to this mention of 100 ornaments somewhere, even though it doesn't have anything to do with the tree itself. So as an interesting little example, this starts us going down to this whole question of how are your answers coming out of generative AI being biased in ways that you don't necessarily know, potentially from other conversations, from other superfluous information that it has access to, and so on and so forth. And as we get into the new year, this is what we're going to start to look at more, is how do we actually effectively QA and QC these results. So in the meantime, I hope everyone has a happy holiday season, and we will see you in the new year. Thanks.